You can share the starter box, but mostly one person. But everything they in the starter box can
Mm-hmm.
help you. That are the starter box. But you see, let me tell you. Like suppose you want to, so you don't have the money and you want to deal with, you have the circulation and the problem. Suppose that's the main problem. You
Mm-hmm.
go and you buy the circulation tonic.
Mm-hmm.
You see what I mean?
So like the circulation, like how me put them thing up and so on, me can say me buy
Yeah.
that
And you
alone.
can
Yeah,
buy
it
the
will help
something
me.
name, you can buy one you name the whole body cleanse
Mm-hmm.
for $289.
Oh, so
That cleanse the whole of the body. Flush toxin from the kidney, colon, liver, blood, eliminate parasite, harmful bacteria. Me have the one in my house right now. Bloat your the boost immunity and then something there. Improve digestive gut health and it pack with essential vitamin, minerals, all of them something there.
why you make them see them?
No, some people where me know about and them know me know me too.
Oh.
Yeah. No, sir.